Could UMAC stock be on its way to $36, or is this latest rally just another trap? Unusual Machines has become one of the most talked about drone stocks on the market. The company has captured investors' attention thanks to the rapidly growing drone industry, strong analyst price targets, and increasing interest in defense technology. But there is one big question investors need to answer. Is UMAC the next big winner, or is the stock simply running too far, too fast? Let's find out. Unusual Machines, trading under the ticker symbol UMAC, is a company focused on drone technology and drone-related components. As governments and private businesses continue investing billions of dollars in autonomous technology, many investors believe companies like UMAC could become major players in the industry. The excitement surrounding the stock has pushed shares significantly higher over the past year. However, strong momentum doesn't always guarantee strong fundamentals. Let's start with the reasons investors are excited. Wall Street analysts currently have an average price target of approximately $36.50. The highest target stands at $42, while the lowest target sits at $25. That represents a potential gain of more than 86% from the current price. Meanwhile, the global drone industry continues to grow rapidly. From military applications to commercial delivery services and industrial inspections, drones are becoming an increasingly important part of the global economy. Now let's take a look at the numbers. Annual revenue currently stands at approximately $11.2 million. The company reported a net loss of approximately $19.2 million. UMAC also posted earnings per share, or EPS, of negative 33 cents. These numbers clearly show that the company is still focused on growth rather than profitability. Investors should also understand the risks. The company's market capitalization has reached approximately $936 million, despite relatively low revenue. Another concern is volatility. UMAC currently has a beta of 4.42, meaning the stock moves much more aggressively than the broader market. This creates the possibility of both large gains and large losses. Now, let's move to the chart. The first major support zone appears around $16. If sellers gain control, the next support level could be found between $12 and $13. On the upside, the stock faces strong resistance between $22 and $24. A successful breakout above that range could push shares toward the $30 level. This is the question everyone is asking. For UMAC to reach the analyst target price of $36.50, investors will need to see stronger revenue growth, continued expansion in the drone market, and improved financial results. Positive news regarding contracts, acquisitions, or industry developments could also become major catalysts. UMAC remains one of the market's most interesting high-risk, high-reward stocks. The company operates in a rapidly expanding industry, but investors must also accept significant uncertainty and volatility. The next few months could determine whether this stock moves closer to $36 or falls back toward important support levels. What do you think? Will UMAC reach $36, or will the stock move lower before the next rally? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this analysis, make sure you subscribe so you never miss another stock market update.